Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. We just got news of a new $2,000 buy for BTC. And it's telegraphed. Right at the end of my last video, this came out. So I'm filming another one real quick. Like I said, it's going to be a quick video. But there's someone that just said that they're looking to buy another $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. The market is moving up at this point, and maybe we get rejected right here. Maybe that happens. But I did say in my last video that there are a number of shorts building up and that we could see a big move back up to 64, 65, 66K. And we're seeing that like minutes after I just recorded the last video. And we just got, like I said, we just got someone that said that they're going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin. When that happens, people take notice and they say, well, I want to buy before that company buys or that nation buys or that entity buys. And then it causes a massive move up that also liquidates shorts. So let me show you what's happening. If you don't mind though, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. You can also go trade cryptocurrency with the link underneath the video to Margex. Of course, you always read their terms and conditions, but you can get started in just a few seconds. Just put in a username, a password, check their terms and conditions, and you can start trading. There's also a link to CoinW. They also have a deposit bonus event right now. You can read how much you can get in free USDT just based on your trading volume and your net deposit amount. Now, this just came out. MicroStrategy's earnings and Saylor said that they're trying to buy another $2 billion of Bitcoin. They're going to do it at the money offering. So they're going to buy, they're just going to dilute shareholders to buy more Bitcoin. But you see, MicroStrategy uses leverage intelligently to increase its Bitcoin per share. Basically, they've been able to add more Bitcoin than they're diluting. So if you're a shareholder and you can over a year buy 8% more Bitcoin, but they only dilute shareholders 4%, well, you're getting more BTC per share, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. So that's what they're doing. There's also a 10-to-1 split coming up next week. So this is interesting. I think that's part of the reason why Bitcoin's moving up right now. Again, maybe I have egg on my face by the time I release this, because I'm gonna wait a little bit since I just posted a video, but maybe we're back down. But the cool thing about this is this chart right here. MicroStrategy was let's just look, 3 years ago? Let's go 4 years ago. MicroStrategy was a $1.2 billion company. Now it's $32 billion. So 32 divided by 1.2. It's grown 26.6x in market cap. This company has been able to buy 226,200 BTC, and right now Bitcoin's price is, let's call it 65,000. They hold $14.7 billion in Bitcoin. Okay, the fact is, if a $1.2 billion company can buy 10x, 12x their market cap in 4 years, and they've given away the playbook on how to do this and actually like explode in terms of your market cap, in terms of your value, they will have people that try to do the same thing. And we've seen that already with Semler Scientific, with Metaplanet. There are going to be more companies that do this. It's going to be a thing that, maybe this cycle 10 companies do it, 20, but the next cycle or sometime in the future, there are going to be 100. And if a $1 billion company can buy $15 billion worth of Bitcoin, just think about what a $10 billion, a $40 billion company can do, especially if they shift the main focus of their business to just buying more Bitcoin. Maybe they have a good cash flowing business. I mean, even if you looked at something like Palantir, right? Palantir, I think cash flows more than MSTR does. They're much larger. They could get their hands on way more BTC if they tried to. I'm not saying that's what they're going to do, but start thinking about all the companies that could do this. I mean, right now, MicroStrategy is the world's 727th most valuable company by market cap, and that's after they've gone up 26x. Think about the bigger companies. And that's the cool thing about BTC, right? Right now, this news, I think this is the only piece of news, has pushed up Bitcoin's price $1,200. This is without them even doing the buying, just the news that they're going to buy $2 billion worth of BTC. But think about all the money out there, all the market cap out there that is going to be vying for BTC. Like, that's crazy. The fact is, people look at Bitcoin and they think it's too risky. There's too much volatility. There's nothing happening. The price is going down. The price is going up, and it's just a fake out. And then it goes sideways for a while. People get pissed off. The fact is, there is a lot of capital and a lot of debt. You know, we look at how much the world is worth, but also look at how much debt is out there. Like, MSTR can issue debt to go buy BTC. So you can literally take money from the future and then shove it into BTC right now. Like, some people do that. Some companies do that. So you look at all the debt in the world. You look at all the companies in the world. You look at all the equity in the world. You look at all the cash flows. You look at all the bonds. And the fact is, a lot of that will go to BTC eventually. And like I said, there's endless amounts of it. But there's only 21 million Bitcoin. And yesterday I did a video talking about how Bitcoin's gone and lost forever, and how there is a lot of Bitcoin that is just lost. Like, the fact is, there's 21 million BTC, but there's not really 21 million available. Like, maybe 16, 17 million if you're getting a little bit, even if you're getting a little bit aggressive with how much you think is actually out there. But the fact is, there's not much to go around. So yeah, when $2 billion wants to find a home in BTC, it pushes up the markets, right? I mean, $2 billion. Let's even see if I can get the numbers right. $2 billion divided by 65,000 per BTC. That's 31,000 Bitcoin. Okay, that is 1% of the supply, over 1% of the supply on the market right now. So you start adding some other countries that are possibly going to do this, some other companies, some other hedge funds, some other pension funds, and it goes away pretty quickly. This is just one large, it's a large company, but it's one company buying 1% of all the available Bitcoin on exchanges. And this is just on top of the other 1% of all BTC that they have. Like, this is only, 10% more or 15% more than they have right now. And they're buying up 1% of all available BTC right now. So that's kind of crazy. Start thinking a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road. Now, if you do want to buy Bitcoin or you want to long Bitcoin right now, there's that link to Margex underneath the video. Check that out. And to CoinW if you want to spot trade or just buy spot Bitcoin, BTC. And then you can also trade on the same platform, and they have that deposit event as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.